Could your personal professional reputation, your firm, and ultimately your family's livelihood survive this mistake? This is a very important message for all equity principals, partners, directors, and practice managers. If you outsource some or all of your IT services and support for your professional services firm, this video contains very important information that will be extremely beneficial for you to know now that could prevent you from making a very big, expensive mistake that may cost you your personal, professional reputations, your firm, and your family's livelihood if you don't make a tough decision now. Last year I was contacted by a law firm with around 10 on the team who are based in regional Australia. They were having ongoing frustrations with their former IT support company and had ditched them in favour of trying to take care of things themselves. After running through our standard processes, conducting a review, presenting our report of findings and the action plan to resolve them, the decision stalled. I then found out the firm was in the early stages of being sold. We performed some ad hoc work for them to help them with the few issues that they were experiencing at the time. Fast forward a couple of months and we were again contacted to help them merge the two existing entities into one. Again, I ran through our standard processes and presented our action plan to resolve the issues with the merging of the two entities. I was advised that we were cheaper than the existing IT support company of the purchaser firm, however they needed to get another quote. Turns out the third quote was under half what I had said it would be for us to do the work, and they went with that third support company. Obviously, things did not go well with the merging of the firms from a technology point of view. 2 months after it was supposed to be finished, problems were still being discovered. We again helped out another IT support company in resolving the latest issue. Each one of these issues was another time and materials bill, in this case from two separate IT companies. As a side note, one of the ways we differ from many IT support companies is that we will look at a project and give you a fixed price to perform the work. We look at the project from all angles and envisage everything that needs to be done and include it. Naturally, when this third IT support company was brought in, they obviously didn't do this, as otherwise their price would have been on par or higher than ours. Now it's the beginning of this year and I find out there is now a fourth IT support company being brought in to take over the firm's IT support. Then in late February I was contacted by someone associated with the firm who had received an email that they never would have gotten had we performed the work. The email was a typical scam where they impersonate you and send an email to yourself advising you that they have pictures from your webcam and internet history of you looking at embarrassing material and that you need to pay them in Bitcoin to make them delete it. The firm director was advised and nothing was done to resolve the issue. Now to the most embarrassing part. About a month later I received an email sent by the director of the firm advising me you've received a new supplier's credit statement from XYZ lawyers. The name has been changed to protect the firm in question. Obviously, and it goes without saying, that the director's account had been hacked and this email had been sent to everyone he had previously emailed or received emails from. This is the sort of thing that could break this firm or bring it to its knees. Now imagine for a minute this happened to you and one of your most VIP clients received this supplier statement email and fell victim to it. Next minute their bank accounts are being drained or their business is being held to ransom. When they find out this was caused because of your mistake, do you think they would want to do business with you or associate with you again? Now, being that the firm is based in regional Australia and originally being from regional Australia myself, I know what country towns are like. This type of thing would be 100 to 1,000 times worse in a country town because everyone talks. The chances of this mistake being forgotten quickly, if at all, are slim to none. So that raises a question. Could your firm survive that? So what can you do to avoid making the same mistake? As I wrote about in my recent book, Protect Your Legacy, How to Confidently Protect You and Your Firm from the fines, lawsuits, customer loss, ruined reputation and PR nightmare resulting from a data breach and cybercrime. As a side note, you can get a gift copy of this by going to protectyourlegacybook.com/ebook. You want to ask yourself the following questions. What will it cost me and my team in wages, time and fees to find a solution ourselves? What will it cost me, my team and the firm in reputation and livelihood damage when we suffer a cyber attack due to the failings of our existing system or supplier? Then consider the value of investing in our monthly services. What benefits do we get from concentrating on our strengths, not finding an IT solution on our own, and not just trusting our current IT guy or company has it covered? And where can I reinvest time and money saved from a cyber attack into the firm's growth or to use that money saved as a profit distribution? Now I can say I've also learnt this lesson the hard way. I needed a new tech platform to grow my business, but I was distracted by the cost of the service. I decided to try and make a cheaper solution work. What I ended up doing was costing myself hundreds of hours of my very valuable time on a solution that didn't solve anything. My biggest mistake was not understanding the value the service would provide me. My patched up solution failed and I made the smart decision to purchase the more costly service. Another lesson I've learnt from my dad is measure thrice, cut once. He was a custom cabinet maker and custom furniture builder who always got repeat orders from his clients. Would you like to have us conduct our proprietary 23-point cybersecurity and IT systems assessment so we can help you avoid making a similar big expensive mistake? Go to www.myinfotechpartner.com.au/consult, or take out your mobile phone, open the camera app and scan the QR code on the screen, then complete and submit the form on this page, or call our office on +618 6244 2556. If you're not ready for the assessment, however, want to learn more about how you can avoid making a big expensive mistake with technology and how to protect your reputation and family's livelihood for your professional services firm, go to www.myinfotechpartner.com.au/PYL video, or take out your mobile phone, open your camera app and scan the QR code on the screen, and sign up for my free 17-minute micro training titled How to Confidently Protect Your Legacy, Reputation and Livelihood without having to stop practicing the profession. In it, you'll discover how to make smart decisions with technology and how to not suffer the devastation and embarrassment of reputation damage due to a cyber attack. Thanks for watching and have a great day.